Good evening, students. In the last class, we have discussed about the write mode, write method, write lines method. Now, today we will see how to append the content to the file. How to append the content to the file. Now, let us open the file. The same file, mca.txt. Now I want to append the content. Before append the content, let us check the status of the file. See, there are the two lines are there. Now, since it is open under append mode, now I will write the content. Write hello everyone and file dot write attend Durga Puja file dot write without fail. Now I am closing the file. Right now, run module. Done. Now let us check the status of the file. See, existing content is there. For the existing content, what is happened? New content has been added. Now this is what the content, right? Now let us run the code again. Run module. Done. Now see, new content has been appended. So with the help of the mode A, what is happen is the new content will get appended. Now here the question is, sir, what if the file that you want to create is not exist? Let us check. Now if the file is not available, then it will create the file. Let's check it whether the file has been created or not. Open MCA1, right? See, here the file has been created at what? 7.9. Now open it. See. So what you have to understand, if the file is already available, then the content will be appended. If the file is not available, then the file will be created. So here what is the condition? Once you open the file under append mode, whatever the file name you have provided to the open function, if file not available in system, then new file will be created. And if the file is available, then whatever the content you have written into the file will be appended. This is what you have to understand for the append mode. So append mode, I hope you understand the difference between the read. This R stands for what? R or RT. Now R or RT is what? The first point you have to understand. Read mode for what file? For text file. And another thing, if the file opened under read mode, then R or the RT argument is optional. This is what the important point you have to understand. R or the RT argument is optional. When the file is open under read mode, when the file is open under read mode, the file must exist. The file must exist. Otherwise, definitely it will throw an error. Definitely it will throw an error. And another thing, when the file is open under read mode, you cannot perform write operation. You cannot perform write operation. This is what you have to understand for the read mode. Now coming to the next one, we have seen WR, WT. Basically it is used for write purpose. Basically it is used for write purpose. Now you might have a doubt, sir, when the file is open for write purpose, can we perform the read operation? Yes, we will check. Now let us assume that this MCA dot 1 has been open under write mode. Now I will try to call the read operation. I will try to call the read operation. Let us and store the result under A, then print A, then print A. Now run module. Unsupport readable, see, unsupported operation. That means when the file is open under write mode, then read is not possible. Read is not possible, and append is also not possible. When it is open under write mode, if the file is not available, file will be created. If the file is already available in the system, existing content will get overridden. Existing content will get overridden. Now let us check for the append. So under the append, can we perform the read operation or not? We will check. Run module. Again, when the file is open under append mode, you cannot perform the read operation. You cannot perform the read operation, but you can perform the what? Write operation. Now, if you have a doubt, you just check it. Write operation you can perform, and the content will be appended. And the content will be appended. Content will be appended. That is what we have seen. So this is what is about read, write, append. So again I will show to you with the help of a table. Now let us take the table. Now let us assume that you want to perform the operation read, then you want to perform the write, you want to perform the append. Then argument you have to pass is what? RT, R optional, you no need to pass. W, if you want to perform the write operation, W. If you want to perform the append operation, you have A. Now what if file is not available? File is not available. Here error will be thrown. Error will be thrown. Let us see what sort of error will be thrown if the file is not available that you are trying to open it. Now let us open it under read mode. I am not writing anything, then after I am closing it. Now see what is the error it is throwing? File not found error, no such file or the directory error will be thrown. This is what you have to understand. So if the file is not available, then you are trying to open the file under read mode, then this is the error will be thrown. Now what if the file is not available, you are trying to perform the write operation, then new file will be created. Append. You are trying to perform the append operation on a file where the file is not available in the system, then here new file will created. New file will created. Now what if you are trying to open a file if it is available? File is available. File is available. If the file is available, read will return file object. So what is the object it will return? Yeah, we will check. Now let us assume that here it is a what? MCA1. Then let us check what kind of thing it is going to return. Type file. Let us run this program. Run module. What it is been written? It is going to return _IO text IO wrapper object will be written. If the read is successful, then it will return the object of type this. Now, if the file is open under write mode, successfully open under write mode. If it is successfully open under write mode, let us see what it is going to return. Will it return the same object or the different object? Again, what it is written? It is successfully returning the what? _IO text IO wrapper. Again, it will return the what? This. Even for the append, yeah, we can check it. For append also, let us make it as a then run it, run module. Again, it is returning the same. It is returning the same. Now what we have to understood here is, if the file is already available, existing content in the file overridden by new content upon write function call. Similarly, whereas here new content will be appended to the existing content in the file. So nothing will happen to the existing content, but after the existing content, new content will get appended. So this is what you have to understand between read, write, append. So that's all for today. In the next class we will discuss about next topic.